2 from Drew and Sid. And today is March 1st, 2021. We got 2 new sets. So I have the Chick and the Budgie. It is set number 40443. Is recommended for ages 8 and up and has 261 pieces. This is the Fish and Fry set. It has 186 pieces. It's set number 40442 and is recommended for ages 8 and up. Okay, so we're gonna build those 2 today. Let's get started. Alright, so we just got done with the fish. We get goldfish and fry. Super cute, I love it. So you can take the fish off whenever you want. So it comes with like a little bed to pull off the back. And there's these little curved pieces with stickers. So you can choose from coral or bubbles. I really liked how you could choose that. And so this amazing set, you should totally buy it. So I'm gonna get started on the birds tomorrow. It's getting late. So with the power of YouTube, it's tomorrow. Wow, that was so cool. I've never done that before. Well, let's do the birdie. Here we go. Alright, so we just got finished with the 2 pets. We have the Budgie and the Chick, the Goldfish, and the Fry. So, these are great sets. Definitely buy them. You won't regret it. So, if you aren't like a bird, fish kind of dude, definitely want to buy the cat or the dog. Those are the same type, so you get the bed, you get the stand, you get the animals, the baby, and the actual thing. So let's just show you those right now. Alright, so if you don't love those, definitely get these. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.